In this brief guide, I will demonstrate the process of altering the language settings within the Yahoo Mail application on your mobile device. By doing so, you can enhance your user experience and utilize the app in your preferred language. To begin with, launch the Yahoo Mail application and tap on the profile picture icon situated at the top left corner of the screen. Subsequently, select Settings followed by Manage Accounts. Locate your Yahoo account and tap on Account Info beneath it. Afterward, tap on Personal Info. Scroll down slightly until you encounter an option labeled Update Language. Proceed by tapping on it, followed by selecting your desired language from the provided options. To finalize the process, tap on the Save Updates button. Consequently, you will be required to sign into your Yahoo Mail account once again. By following these aforementioned steps, you will have successfully modified the language settings within the Yahoo Mail application on your mobile device.